I'd like to really expand on a particular point in how to really accelerate the car. On page 110, you will notice that there is something called the profit equation. And I want you to understand the power of this formula and how it can be applied in any business. It basically says that in any business, irrespective of the tactic, any business is made up of 5 variables that lead to profits. The number one variable is leads. That's number one. Usually we spend a lot of money generating leads. It's the greatest cost in running a business is leads. You've got to have lead generation strategies operating in your business. The next one is conversion rates. Conversion rate, quite simply, is this. If you're a B2B business and you're doing 100 quotes a month and you're getting 10 and you're winning 10, your conversion rate is 10%. In all my experience of helping businesses, one of the easiest ways to improve your business is, first of all, measure your conversion rate, then improve it. Because usually conversion rate is a reflection of bad selling. Your leads times your conversion rate equals your number of customers. A prospect is not a customer. A customer is somebody who buys something. Your number of customers times your number of transactions, which is how often they buy, times your average dollar sale equals your turnover. Your turnover times your margin equals your profits. Something switches on here, guys. You've got 5 ways to improve your business. Let's just say that I decided one day out of my slumber to say, first of all, let's measure all of those 5 variables. Can we measure it? And let's put in strategies to improve it by 10%. What would happen? How could I take a car that's going at 120 kilometres and take it to 360 k's? This is how. 1, your leads. In this example, you can see the example. Everybody can see the maths. But in this example, we move leads from 4,000 to 4,400. We move conversion rate to 27.5%. Then the first thing that is extraordinary is the number of customers hasn't grown by 10%, it's grown by 21% because it's the power of multiplication. Number of transactions goes from 2 to 2.2. Average dollar sale goes from 100 to 110. My turnover, which was 200,000, has now exploded to 292,000. And my margin, which was 30%, is now 33% because I've stopped discounting and probably negotiated better. And I've just increased my profit by an amazing 61%. It works. The reason why it works is the same reason that the greatest wealth creation strategy you can give to a teenager in their early years is save 10% and put it in a bank. And do that for the rest of your life and you'll be a multi-millionaire. Because what happens, it compounds. It's the compounding effect. It even gets better. Have a look at the other page. Let's just get really adventurous. What would happen if I improved all of those 5 variables by 20%? Now I'm smoking. I have just improved my business by an amazing 149% increase in profitability. And if I did a 100% increase, it would be a 3,200% increase.